So it's Source Club time. Let's see what I have. That's the box. It's gonna be a little purse. Love it. Here is the booklet with instructions. You got your Gouda thread. It's pretty cream color. Same box, same amount of love. So we're gonna be getting a new thing. It's not gonna be a box anymore. It's gonna start coming in a bag, which is fine as long as everything else is gonna be the same. So the first fabric we have, I really like it. It's really, really nice. All right, that's pretty. And the second one is like little mushrooms. We got our little D-rings. Got the zipper tape, which is the cream. Got the interface. Ooh. Oh, we got a little bit of, what is this, suede? Not bad. I like it.
All right, so that was a great unboxing. I'm gonna show you how the project turned out and then what I did with the scraps. So, as a reminder, this is the project. Okay, and this is how it turned out. Not bad, right? Now let me show you what I did with the scraps. So we have this much left for this one. We have this much left for this one. And then we had a little bit left of this. So first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna make everything even. Okay, then we're gonna cut this part right here off. Same thing. Gonna open this part up. Gonna cut this piece right here off. And then we're gonna cut this piece right here off. So this is gonna be a great project for you. If anybody has scraps, this is a great project to use with your scraps. So we're gonna take good side to good side. We're gonna put it together. Okay, and we're just gonna pin right here. Okay, so I didn't cut this off, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and just clean that up too. Okay. All right, let me just plug the sewing machine in. Make sure to back stitch. Back stitch again. right here, you want to make sure you press the seam open. So I'm just going to get my iron really quick. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to press the seams open, okay? Just go ahead and press them open just like so. All right. Now, again, you're going to take good side to good side. You can press it again. And we're just going to go ahead and pin. Okay. So same thing, we're just going to sew. We're going to sew from here all the way down and then come all the way down. And then we're going to leave this part right here open. Let's go ahead and sew. Some people sew over their pins. I never like to do that. It's just an accident waiting to happen. So the same thing, we're going to go ahead and we're going to press our seam. Okay, so the finished measurement is going to be about, I think it's about 18 inches for this project. So you're just going to go ahead and you're going to turn it inside out. Okay. Okay, you just want to wiggle it a little bit to try to get those corners out. All right. So of course, I'm going to press it again. Just make sure it get all the little wrinkles out. Okay. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to fill it up. Now, you can use scrap fabric, which is what I recommend. You can go ahead and just stuff all your fabric down in here. So now I'm going to take my scrap fabric and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stuff it. All right, so we are done. It is stuffed. So now the last thing we're gonna do is just take the end, we're gonna fold it in, and then we're gonna go ahead and stitch it down. Forget the back stitch. All right, you guys, we are all done. So now you can go ahead and rest your wrist while you're typing. Matter of fact, let me know in the comments what you think and how this turned out. Is it too new for you? I think so. Bye.